Today we are going to start properties of adjoint operator. First of all, let T1, T2 be three operators. One, an inner product space V over the field K. Then we have to show that T1 plus T2 whole star equals to T1 star plus T2 star. Now solution. We have T1, T2 are linear operators. One, V. Let UV belongs to V. Therefore, inner product of T1 plus T2 of U, V equals to T1U plus T2U, V. That is equals to inner product of T1U, V plus inner product of T2U, V. That is equals to U, T1 star of V plus U, T2 star of V. That is equals to inner product of U, T1 star plus T2 star of V. Also, inner product of T1 plus T2 of U, V, that is equals to inner product of U, T1 plus T2 whole star of V. Hence T1 plus T2 whole star equals to T1 star plus T2 star. Hence proved. Now the second property, we have to prove that T1 T2 whole star equals to T1 star T2 star into T1 star. Solution. We have T1 T2 are linear operators on V. Then let UV belongs to V and inner product of T1 T2 of U, V equals to U, T1 T2 whole star of V. Also inner product of T1 T2 of U, V is equals to inner product of T1 T2 of U, V, that is equals to T2 of U, T1 star of V, that is equals to U, T2 star of T1 star V, that is equals to inner product of U, T2 star T1 star of V. Hence what we got? We got T1 T2 whole star equals to T2 star into T1 star. Now the third property, KT whole star equals to K bar into T star. So we have T1 T2 are linear operators on V. Then K belongs to capital K, field K is member of field K. Okay, and UV belongs to V. inner product space V. Now inner product of kt of u comma v equals to inner product of u comma kt star of v. Also inner product of kt of u comma v equals to inner product of kt of u comma v, that is equals to k bar into t of u comma v. This is equals to k bar into u comma t star v. This is equals to u comma k bar into t star of v. This is equals to u comma k bar t star of v. Hence kt star equals to k bar t star, proved. Now the fourth property, we have to show that t star whole star equals to t. Okay, now solution. Let uv belongs to v, therefore inner product of t star of u comma v equals to inner product of t star of u comma v equals to inner product of e t stars whole star of v. Also inner product of t star of u comma v equals to inner product of v comma t star of u whole bar, that is equals to t of v comma u उसका whole bar, that is equals to u comma t of v. Hence t stars whole star equals to t, proved. Now the fifth property is I star equals to I, where I v to v is the identity operator. Okay, identity operator. Solution. Here let u comma v belongs to v, therefore inner product of iu comma v equals to u comma v, that is also equals to u comma I of v, and inner product of I of u comma v equals to u comma I star of v. So we got what we got, I star equals to I. Okay, now the sixth property, we have to prove that 0 star equals to 0. 0 star equals to 0. Now solution. Let u and v belongs to v, therefore inner product of 0 of u comma v equals to u comma 0 star v, and inner product of 0 of u comma v equals to 0 comma v, which is equals to 0, that is equals to u comma 0, inner product of u comma 0, which is equals to inner product of u comma 0 of v. Hence we show that 0 star equals to 0.